General Education, Math Drills with Rationalization, Part 3. Click follow before we start. So the question here, the vertex angle of the isosceles triangle is 30 degrees. What is the measure of one of the base angle? A, 150 degree, B, 75 degrees, C, 70 degrees, and D, 60 degrees. So ganito itsura ni isosceles triangle. We're in, it is a triangle that have two sides na equal. So, itong nasa pinakatuktok, ang tawag natin dyan is a vertex angle. And sabi dun sa given, the vertex angle is 30 degree. And ang kabuuhan na measure ng isang triangle is 180 degree. Since ang tinatanong lang naman dito is, ano yung measure ng isa doon sa base angle? And then yung base angle natin is yung dalawa na nasa baba, which is this one. Now, since isa lang naman yung tinatanong, 180 degree, i-minus natin yung 30, which is the vertex angle. So, the answer is 150 degrees. Since yung 150 degree, ayun yung value ng dalawa na angle doon sa baba, doon sa may base. So, since isa lang naman yung hinahanap, 150 degrees divided by 2 is equal to 75. Therefore, one of the angle is 75 degrees. And our answer is letter B.